Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hey, we're back, man. Hey, listen, if you haven't had an opportunity to watch The Walking Dead after, man, episode, stop listening now, major spoilers, here we go. First off, let me just say, man, this is an amazing episode, man. We're 30 minutes into The Walking Dead, this episode that's called After, man. This is the return of The Walking Dead after the mid-season finale break. Oh, man, I gotta calm down, man, but I'm just so excited, man. Michonne, origin story, no spoilers, just want to say that. Perfect, perfection, cinematic perfection, comic book story perfection. Everything that we wanted inside of that episode that should have been shown like a long time ago. Oh man, it was just so good, man, to wait for that. So good, so juicy, okay? Like a tender steak being cut, man, by a katana. Loving it, absolutely loving it. Listen, some really awesome things that are happening right now, man. We're just getting another glimpse into Carl, man. This new, I don't even know what you want to call it, man. It's just a new Carl. It's not Carl from back in the day. It's a brand new character. It's insane. That's what it is. Right now, man, something is happening to Rick. I don't know what's happening, but it's terrifying. I'll tell you that much, man. It's absolutely terrifying. We're gonna get back into this episode, man. I'm telling you guys, as soon as we're up, man, 30 minutes left. As soon as this is done, we're coming right back. We're gonna be having this podcast, and I'm gonna probably talk about this for the rest of the night, man. Let me know what you think about the episode so far, right here.